In this video lesson, we are going to learn about descriptive statistics using Python libraries. But before we jump on to coding, let's discuss what do we mean by descriptive statistics with the help of an example. What do we mean by this? Let's take example of a shoe brand that wants to plan their manufacturing better. To plan this, they need to know which size shoes to make and which type of shoes are most popular. To learn this, they study the sales and cart data of customers from the past 2 years. When looking at the data, they realize they have more than 10,000 sales records at their hand to get the information from. How they go about finding the information from these many records and this many information. We take help of descriptive statistics measure along with other techniques to get some of the answers. This is the data which we are going to use in this example. We have sale number, we have shoe size, the number of shoes, the size of the shoe sold at that time, and the type of shoes, whether it was for males or it was for female. Also, we have the style of the shoe, like canvas shoes, heels, or boots, etc. We have the sale date and the sale month, along with the city on which the sale happened. These are the descriptive measures we are going to discuss in the code. What do we mean by the measure of central tendency? We have mean, and this is if we take the example of the data set where we have the 6 data points. And if we want to find the mean of this data point, we are going to sum up all the values in the data set and divide by the total number of values, which is 6 here. And we will get 4.6 as it is shown in the table below. Arrange in the order these values and pick up the middle value. Then we have the median. Here in our case, we are going to add the two middle values and divide by 2, we will get 5. And the most common value of these data set or this data set is 7 because it occurs twice. That's what our mode is. Let's jump on to coding now.